Every child enters in a school with a big dream, and behind every dream, there is an empowered educator because the future of nation doesn't build in the building, but with that teacher who touches millions of lives and shape their future. Here today, in this video, I'm launching something very powerful which is beyond an event. It is not just an announcement for the regular event, but this is the pioneer start of some mission, and that mission is to discover powerful educational visionary leaders. So, here we are launching our Super 50 mission. Now, what is this mission Super 50? Where we are inviting nominations for these type of schools who are visionary toward building those powerful visionary educators who are empowered and future ready to build the nation in a very, very powerful manner. But here is something special. Every school will not be chosen. Only first come first serve basis we are giving this opportunity for first 50 schools. Again, registrations are not open forever. It is for the limited time. So yes, what these schools will get? They will get, of course, award, reward and recognition of their work, whatever contribution they are doing in the society. Of course, they will get one podcast after the event where they will get opportunity to reach millions of people. And the most important things during the ceremony, of course, they will get award, and there will be a powerful session which is going to help them for empowering their educators. So there is a power session on educators transformation, and that session will give them clarity. Also, there is an opportunity for the mentorship program which is making them go to next level. So we are offering our mentorship to schools, and this is the exclusive program for selected schools wherein if they would like to grow and they would like to go globally, become a brand in the society. So really, this is something which every school leader or educational leader should not miss this opportunity. So all these things, every school will. So registrations are open for limited time. Nomination form is in the link. So don't miss this opportunity. School owners, directors and principal, your school is not just an institution, it is a legacy. And legends are not wait for the change, they create the change. So don't wait for someone will offer you, someone will come to you. Rather grab this opportunity. We are looking forward for just 50 schools who are visionary leaders and who really want to write their name in the global movement. The global movement is Educational Kranti movement, and this particular mission is Super 50 mission, which is a part of Educators Growth Summit. So are you ready to write your name in the history to become that one of the powerful school in Super 50? So registrations are open for a very limited time, and we are very choosy while choosing the school. Your work really speaks for that. So don't miss this opportunity. Register, nominate right now. Thank you.